afternoon. With Labor Day around the corner, New Mexico is meeting its reopening targets. Today, the state's top doctor gave an update on where we stand and where we could be headed. Here's News 13's Brittany Bade.
Lizzie, one of the main messages today was for people to avoid large gatherings for Labor Day so we do not see a surge in cases as schools start reopening their classrooms.
We owe it to our kids to do this right the first time. And we want, once we get kids back, to keep them there. We will have cases in schools. There will be classrooms closed. There's no question about that. We will have probably from time to time a school closed. We're really hoping we don't have a district have to close.
Human Services Secretary Dr. David Grace says most counties in the state are currently meeting the criteria to reopen schools for younger kids in a hybrid model after Labor Day. Luna and Curry counties are in the yellow zone, while Hidalgo, Roosevelt, Chavez, Eddy, Quay, and Lee counties are still in the red zone. Right now, New Mexico is meeting all of its targets when it comes to testing numbers, test positivity rates, and hospital capacity. The doctor was joined today by Children, Youth, and Families Department Secretary Brian Blaylock, who says the state saw a drop in the number of abuse and neglect reports in April and in May. He says they will work closely with teachers to make sure families have the resources they need.
There is a growing consensus and concern about a behavioral health care crisis that would be following closely on the heels of this pandemic, both because of isolation and because of economic hardship and just because of the sheer cost of this pandemic through death and through health crisis.
Dr. Grace also urged New Mexicans not to delay their other medical care, saying there was a huge drop in colonoscopies in April and May, which is concerning since colon cancer is the second leading cause of cancer deaths in the U.S. and is largely preventable through screening. Back to you, Lizzie.